Manini Chatterjee, I want to come back for a moment to Mamta Banerjee. Is this simply the kind of language which Mamta has been using against Narendra Modi? Is this her playing her minority card? She needs the support of minorities in Bengal, so Modi becomes the hate object. Is that the reason why she's so angry with Modi? Or is it, as Derek O'Brien seems to be suggesting, that she's slighted, that her integrity has been questioned by Mr. Modi?
I think it's a bit of both. Because I
think, a bit of both.
Yeah, I think Mamta Banerjee is very, very sort of proud of the fact that she is considered one of the most honest and, you know, simple living, high thinking kind of politicians. And also, I think it was Mr. Modi who actually, in his first rally, he said, "Do haath mein laddu," you know, you'll have Mamta here and you'll have me there. And then he changed the narrative midway through the polls, because I think the BJP ground level reports they had a chance of doing much better in Bengal. So I think, and then once he started attacking the whole illegal Bangladeshi issue, which is a kind of a fig leaf to attack Bengali Muslims. I mean, that's what Bengali Muslims feel, whether, you know, and I think so for political reasons and for personal reasons, it's become a very embittered Mamta Banerjee, with good reason. And the other thing is, for Mamta Banerjee, 2016 is very important.
No, she cannot possibly. But one thing to be embittered, then the other thing is to say, even if a Modi-led government gets a majority, there is no question I will allow him to form a government. It seems to have gone. Has it reached the point of no return? Do you see her changing her mind or no?
In politics, there is no such thing as no return. I think, in fact, yesterday's interview, Mr. Modi was trying to give this very statesman-like approach. I mean, I saw the interview, you must have seen it too. And he was saying, you know, what we say in election rallies doesn't really matter. When I become the Prime Minister, I will take everybody along, even every single MP. He was trying to give this line that I'm going to get 350 seats, but that doesn't, I won't become unbearable. So he was giving another spin yesterday.
So he's giving another spin, but you know, as far as you are concerned, it is possible that Mamta Banerjee in the future could reach out to a Narendra Modi.
No, I don't think so.